For today's video, I'm making creamy coleslaw. I got carrots, onion, and cabbage. Okay, let's make sauce. I got 1 cup and 1/4 mayonnaise, and then 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk, maybe 4. Okay, let's mix it, and then I put a lemon, maybe half of supposed to be 3 tablespoons of lemon, but I'm putting like I'm not putting everything. And then 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1, maybe 2. I don't. Okay, I mix my sauce. Let's mix it well. Carrots, cabbage, and mayonnaise, onion, evaporated milk, and lemon, and salt and pepper, and sugar. So this is my creamy coleslaw salad. Okay, for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's taste it. I think I need more sauce. I'm gonna make a little bit more. I don't know, maybe this is good enough. Maybe I need more. Let's see. Okay, guys, this is ready. Okay, guys, final result. This is my creamy coleslaw salad, and this is, of course, spring roll, an unhealthy pizza from work. It's my daughter dinner for today's video, and my son too. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.